Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Planner to Outlook for schedule visibility, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Planner to Outlook for schedule visibility, start by opening Microsoft Planner in your browser. Log in with your Microsoft account. Select the plan you want to connect to Outlook. In the top right corner, click on the three dots for more options. From the drop-down menu, choose Add Plan to Outlook Calendar. A pop-up window will appear with a unique iCalendar link. Copy this iCalendar link. Next, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. In Outlook, go to the Calendar view. Look for the Add Calendar option on the toolbar. Click on From Internet. Paste the iCalendar link you copied from Planner. Click OK to add the calendar. A confirmation pop-up may appear, select Yes to proceed. You should now see your Planner events in your Outlook calendar. To customize your calendar view, adjust the settings in Outlook as needed. Now you can easily track your Planner tasks alongside your Outlook appointments. This integration helps streamline your scheduling process for better Repeat the process for any additional plans you want to connect in the future. Remember to refresh your Outlook calendar periodically to see any updates from Planner. You are now set up to enjoy enhanced visibility between Planner and Outlook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.